export. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah inaugurated Cyber Security Operations Centre in Assam Rifles headquarters at Lightcore in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Shah said that under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Bharat is taking a quantum leap towards digitalization. He said that the Modi government is committed to creating a cyber success society by making the internet secure for every citizen. He stated that prevention of cyber crimes is a priority of the Modi government. He said that the Cyber Security Operations Centre will strengthen the cyber security posture of the force by carrying out real-time monitoring of the network, mitigation of external threats and prevention of cyber violations in the Assam Rifles wide area network.